I teach classes that are about nutrition, wellness, wholeness, food preservation, mixing flavors, all because I noticed that people would often come to me at different times and ask questions about how do I flavor this? How do I cook this? How do I do these things in a more mindful way? In a way that they're like concerned about their health, their children, their families, but they still want food to taste good. So the classes were a part of that exploration into, again, the culmination of all the things I have done in my life. So all the cookbooks, all of the college courses, all of the time spent in commercial kitchens, everything that I learned, the tips and the tricks, like this is what you do at home. I wanted to empower people because I feel like a lot of people have the heart and the mind to want to do, but they don't have the tools. So everything I do is all about giving you a tool out of my toolbox.